All right. All right. It is now obviously clear why the APC are just run helter-skelter concerning the next election to make sure that credible oppositions are not on the ballot. Because from this video I will play for you very soon, you will discover that America have shown interest to fully follow up with what is gonna be happening in the Nigerian next election, and they promise to watch and monitor everything closely. So I just want you to listen to the video, then we will look at it and come back to it again. Just listen.
As you may be aware, the elections are upcoming next year in Nigeria, 2027.
I'm aware.
And there's, even domestically, there's been a lot of questions about how our elections are running in the process.
Like you're aware, election is coming up in Nigeria in 2027, and Ralimo said he's very much aware. And
speaking with Nigeria specifically, do you feel there's anything more that, obviously you have your bill here, is there anything more that the United States can be doing in support, either politically or other ways, that really allow for a fair and free election over there, as opposed to just a formality? And that
I just so much love this question. He said, is there anything you think the United States can do to allow for a free and fair election, so that it will not just be a normal formality, a normal happening where they just keep doing formalities? Now listen to the interesting answer. This is the part that I did love you pay more attention to.
Really speaks hope into the millions of Nigerians that see some of the corruption on a daily basis that you've witnessed firsthand.
Yeah, what I'd say is that we're certainly going to be watching these results and how.
He said recently he's been watching these results. He's been monitoring these results. He's been looking closely.
These elections unfold and how they're executed. And
he's been looking at how these elections are being unfold and how they've been executed, and what next.
That's something that myself and the administration are going to be paying very close attention to.
You are partnering.
That is something of him himself and the Trump administration are gonna be paying more attention to. So come on, you can see the main reason why the APC are so scared of a free and fair election. Not only that, this is another reason why they are so much scared of having a competent person on the ballot, because there is a lot of international interests in this forthcoming election. They're doing everything within their capacity to make sure that they discourage us from going out to vote, even getting our PVC and participating in this election. When there is a serious voter apathy in the first place, they have the opportunity to manipulate and do whatsoever they want to do. So guys, if you've not gotten your PVC, please go and get it, because there is a lot of international interest on the forthcoming general election, and I can assure you that it is not business for the APC as usual. The America are interested, the international community are interested, because if Africa needs to rise, Nigeria must rise. Thank you very much. This is Sabastine Charles. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.